video, we'll take a look at copper-nickel as a material for heat exchangers. We'll start with an overview of copper-nickel's properties and some coil applications that benefit from them. Then, we'll touch on some manufacturing and quality considerations associated with the material. First off, what is copper-nickel? Copper-nickel, also known as copper-nickel, is a family of copper-based alloys containing nickel. These alloys may also contain trace amounts of other elements like iron, manganese, and zinc, which are used to enhance the material's strength. There are two main alloy compositions that we work with at SRC. There's the 90-10, which is 90% copper and 10% nickel, and the 70-30, which is 70% copper and 30% nickel. Now that we know what it is, what are the benefits of using copper-nickel? The main benefits of using copper-nickel for heat exchangers are corrosion and biofouling resistance. Copper-nickel's resistance to things like corrosion and biofouling lends well to applications with a high potential for corrosion, especially marine environments or other applications involving seawater. Copper-nickel exhibits excellent resistance to pitting, crevice corrosion, and stress corrosion cracking. An example of an application where these properties are desirable is applications that support the U.S. Navy, a market to which SRC's Arizona division regularly provides heat transfer products. Durability. A related benefit of copper-nickel's corrosion resistance is longer service life. This longevity reduces the need for frequent replacements or repairs, resulting in cost savings and enhanced operational reliability. The last benefit we'll cover in this video is copper-nickel's heat transfer performance. Due to the presence of copper, copper-nickel alloys exhibit excellent heat transfer performance relative to other corrosion-resistant materials like stainless steels. Now let's look at some details of manufacturing coils using copper-nickel. Since much of the copper-nickel product built by SRC is destined for highly corrosive environments, even minute contamination can compromise the heat exchanger's integrity and its resistance to corrosion. As such, SRC's copper-nickel manufacturing program is designed to retain the beneficial properties that make the material well suited for such applications. Let's expand on the U.S. Navy application, for example. Many of the manufacturing procedures specified by military quality standards require things like meticulous cleanliness, precision, and consistency. To address those requirements, SRC performs some of these manufacturing steps in a cleanroom environment at our Arizona location. This cleanroom, which was established specifically for high-purity copper-nickel welding, is equipped with humidity control, temperature regulation, and a filtration system designed to eliminate impurities from the atmosphere and maintain a clean environment. SRC also has a team of internal inspectors dedicated to ensuring the quality of copper-nickel coils. These inspectors meticulously examine things like weld joint quality, checking for cracks, inclusions, well-towed conditions, and uniformity. Some tools used in this process include a 10x inspection magnifier, fixtures for consistent welding measurements, ultrasonic cleaning, which uses a combination of cleaning solution and electricity to thoroughly clean the pores on the material, and a wire brush to help reveal any hidden inclusions. At SRC, problem solving and excellence are two of our 5 core values, and high-spec copper-nickel coil work is one area where we especially lean on those core values. It requires technical precision, time-consuming training and procedure development, as well as additional costs, but we believe it's work worth doing, providing our team with a rewarding challenge and providing our customers with high-quality heat exchangers that other manufacturers may be hesitant to take on. If you're a manufacturer who uses coils and are looking for thermally effective, corrosion-resistant equipment, give us a call today. Whether copper-nickel is the right material for your application or something else can meet the requirement, we can help you get the right tool for the job. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.